Letter to my granddaughter, Tendo. I have faith that my letter will reach you when you come of age. In my times, we didn't have the opportunity.
Stop it! Do you want to sleep on the dog again? I'm calling you.
Oh, I'm coming, madam. I'm sorry.
You better be sorry, and don't forget to get a bottle of cooking oil in the pantry. I want you to bake some candy cake.
I'll use margarine, madam. I'm sorry, I'm coming. I was writing a letter.
I will not be going to the post office today. I heard there was an explosion in the town. Those bloody gorillas. Why can't they take it to go on back?
Oh, don't worry, the letter's not going today.
Dara hapana loss. Come on. Nongoita my profits. My businessmen as the got in my office.
Rutendo. Yona mafaro notozvinyanya manje. Shamari one 9 8 15 points utara zvenyika ndiyako. Ava kugara nambomzi no boy yacho.
Tori boy nini kutozvitira mari. Sure.
Ko ndedzipi ko dziri kukodha idzi. Rikati nyara madhira ako takumaziya manje.
Ana msadari siyana nazo tindisi.
Kutosvika.
Skani ru. Nisebo naisika tu. Bosho mwa. Ko afa wakozvishiko nezuro madhira esha aiwa ru sha usadaro sha kuondeka kupa ubrongo neguka sha ungatadza kundipinda muskini sha
anatiza utoda zvekutandibhinya
kaoniri naye mana ndozvamunobohera sikana imimi ekugeto mimi usatombonditsvaga ndakuenda ndezvako izvo bo
Hayi, uwarere uthi bari unakira netouch le nokuzviona ke ko chimoti pawo.
Shayi. Yori wangu guys. Sibesa ngakadwati. Ngibona ngopost something African.
Dwati futhi?
Yes.
Abale zvitomufana. Bari wakutora zvamwari netwazimwa tokurasha ke. Bari ayo akasisitira ndikakutouya mira timbona kuti kana kuti chi.
Mira kana nyaya rikaka. Kuti viringizira pata.
Vai muchiviga ndebhaibheri ka
Ndefusami.
Zvise.
Ko Rutendo wakangogara panapa namumzi wauya mwaone manyaradza.
Manyaradza shayi vakafara
Bari urafi.
kuenda.
Urafi. Unomapindura ere assist.
Tomujairo ya ndezvaari yotsamba yako yabva kuna Granddaughter ngeri saka bosa
Tinokubata padiem.
Letter to my granddaughter, Tendo. I have faith that my letter will reach you when you come of age. In my times, we didn't have the opportunity to learn, play, or have fun like white people are doing in Zimbabwe. I raised and keep on raising my daughter to be the most beautiful girl in her time, and I believe she passed the morals to you. Don't be used as a subject by this man. Black or white, they are all the same, but with a free Zimbabwe it may change. Have one husband and keep loving him so he will not lay eyes on another girl. I had dreams of being a leader of a big company. I know you will be great one day after independence when opportunities will be the same. My last words to you, bring hope to my broken dreams. Love, Gogo, Roslyn.
Beja time yasvika yekufufila madreams parizvina msiku ngebhiti rinobikwa namaclean dara taimbofa nenzara nautauda mbodya chiguta hachakwata tadziya uchambotona chimbunda tina basa nezvihuta nochengeta maigu bvunza madhamu yangu inokudza ti moyo ndizvo